And we back 89.3 DJ Baby Slim Urban Experience Radio Show, man. DJ Corner interviewing T. Franklin, independent artist. Now, what we got coming up, man? What's in the future as far as just the goals? What you trying to do just this year? Because you got the single.
Yeah.
I see you had it in the magazine promoting one of your singles.
Yes.
Here we go. What's the magazine is called?
Heavy Rotation.
Heavy Rotation.
Mm-hmm.
And let's go to the end real quick.
Yeah.
And this record you got promoting it here.
Yeah, this is
right here.
okay. Yeah, this record is Space Booty.
Okay. Let's talk about this.
Yeah,
This is what you
Space
promote.
Booty. Now that's Kilo Ali and Big P.
Okay.
Banger.
Okay. Kilo Ali, if people don't know, he's an Atlanta legend, and that's pretty much the Atlanta sound started off